remember a couple of intensives ago, if you were here, we talked a lot about funnels, and we talked about how we can walk people step by step through a kind of sequence of engagement to end up booking. And just for anyone that wasn't there, the really brief summary is if you just ask for a booking straight away, people are less likely to book. It's better if you've got a few steps first where they get to know you, they get to like you, and then much more likely to come in for booking. On Instagram, what I wanted to think about was how those different pieces that we just look at fit into the funnel structure. Right at the top of the funnel, if we're looking at number one, the top of any funnel is about awareness. It's just about lots of people seeing that content. Just they know you exist is really the purpose of the top of that funnel. It's a fairly quick little exercise, but if I was to ask you of the things we just looked at in Instagram, Reels, feed, stories, DMs, where would you think we would play if we want awareness, if we want lots of people to see it? Reels, yes, that's number one. Reels and feed, posts in your feed. Certain types of posts work better than others, but stories still tend to appear for people that already follow you more than others, right? It might have some role, but Reels and posts that are very popular. So we're going to talk about the type of content, because a reel can be anything. It just means a video, right? It can be longish, it can be short, it can be serious, it can be funny. Certain types of content are going to work better than others to get lots of reach, but we are talking definitely Reels and some posts. What about number two? Trust. This is where people are getting to know you a little bit more, starting to learn what you're about, what you do, starting to understand who you are. The idea is that Reels and posts probably fit into both of these, but the type of content is what separates that from that. Important to understand, because if you see someone getting 1 million views on a type of post, or even for yourself, get 1 million views on one, you only get 1,000 on another, it could actually be that is correct for the type of post that it is. The big awareness reels tend to be very shallow, but they go wide. And as you get further down the funnel, they tend to be a little bit deeper. We're still talking social media. We're not talking super deep content, but they're a little bit more informative, a little bit deeper, which means they're just not seen or don't resonate with as many people. It's by design. That's how it's meant to work. What about number three, conversion? So this is where we're actually getting people to book in. And stories are appropriate for here because stories are seen by people who follow you. So for conversion into bookings, it's probably going to be people who already follow you. This is kind of the idea. It's like awareness goes out there really big. And if we're going to have a call to action, if we're going to say, what's your next step? Awareness reels have a call to action of follow me for more. These ones, the reels are going to be a little bit longer. They're going to show your face, going to show in the clinic, and they might actually say, book now. They might say, DM me to book now, but they'll also often not have a call to action. It's just literally showing what we're doing. And say you've been talking about frozen shoulder, like that would be appropriate for in here to build trust, a little content piece. You might say, if you can relate, DM me to book in, or DM me and we can talk about it further. So you're giving a call to action, but it's relating it more directly to the person you're speaking with and filtering them, saying, if you can relate, DM me. Whereas down here, stories might have 3 spots available this Friday over a nice photo of your clinic room. DM me to grab one of them. Only 2 spots left. Someone grabbed that one. So transient. You can tell that story. You can ask for it. After 24 hours, it disappears anyway. So even if you have availability, it's not like you're advertising that you're always available. It's like you can just have it there, people respond, and then it's gone. Cool?